So let's look here at number 1 in our practice. Let's see how many stars we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, when we write a number 6, where do we begin at? Do we begin at the bottom or at the top? We always begin at the top, right? And we are writing a number 6 because we have 6 stars. So we start at the top, we come down around and pick up sticks. That is how we make a 6. Let's try it again. Start at the top, come down and around and pick up sticks. That is how we make a 6. One more time. Start at the top, come down and around, and pick up sticks. That is how we make a 6. Nice job. Let's look at number 2. And if you need to pause the video to finish writing any of these at any time, just go ahead. Then you can resume it and we can keep going. Let's count looks like the butterflies or some type of bugs maybe in number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I think those are beach bags that you take to the beach. 7 beach bags. What number are we going to trace down here? It's going to be the number 7. Do we start at the bottom and go up, or do we start at the top and come down? Good job. We start at the top and go down. So across the top and down from heaven. That is how we make a 7. Across the top and down from heaven. That is how we make a 7. We go across the top and we slide down, and there's our 7. Let's look at 3. We have flip-flops. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flip-flops. Let's write the number 6. Remember, start at the dot, come down and around and pick up sticks. That is how we make a 6. Ready? Start at the dot, down and around and pick up sticks. That is how we make a 6. One more dot, so one more 6. Down and around and pick up sticks. That is how we make a 6. Good job, kindergarten. I'm going to erase this, so if you need to pause this video to finish writing, go ahead and do so. Look at this page. Number 4. How many floaty rings are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floaty rings. Let's write a 6. Down and around and pick up sticks. That is how we make a 6. Try it again. Down and around and pick up sticks. That is how we make a 6. One more time. Down and around and pick up sticks. That is how we make a 6. Nice work. Let's look at the sailboats. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sailboats. Let's make a 7. A line across the top and slide to the floor. And then we have our 7. Let's try it again. Line across the top and we slide to the floor. One more time. Line across the top and we slide down to the floor. There we go. Let's look at number 6. Octopus. Ollie the octopus is who we're going to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now look at this 6. And look at this 6. Both show 6 objects, but they look different. They're arranged differently. This is 6 octopus down here, so we are still going to write a 6. We don't have a dot, because when we're big boys and girls, we don't have dots to start at. So let's just start at the top line, come down around and pick up sticks, and then we have our number 6. Try it again. Start at the top line, come down and around and pick up sticks. Then we have our number 6. One more time, because we wrote 3 up here, so we're going to write 3 on each line down here. Ready? Down and around and pick up sticks. That is how we write a 6. Okay, down here, number 7, we are going to count the total objects. We have different types of helicopters or different types of fish. I think those are fish. We have different types of ones. We have ones we can see really good and ones we can see as a shadow. But we're going to count all of the fish. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fish. So we are going to write the number 7. Across the top and down we slide. And that's how we get our 7. Ready? Across the top and down we slide. One more time. Across the top and down we slide. Very good, boys and girls. I'm going to erase this so I can go to the next page. So if you have not finished it, I know some of you take a little longer to write. Go ahead and pause the video, and then I'm going to erase it, and you can resume it, and I can tell you what we're going to do on the next page. Okay, on this page, this is always called our independent practice page. That means I tell you what to do, but you try to do it by yourself. So for number 8, you're going to count the fish and you're going to write the number out here. Count the fish and write the number. Pause the video and do that. Okay, for number 9, it's the same thing. You're going to count these blue fish and you're going to write the number out here. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, number 10 is a little different. If you were in group A with me the other day, then we did a counting thing where we counted pumpkins in a group. This is kind of like the same idea, but we are counting things we could see much better than we could see those pumpkins. So we have bottles of sunscreen, we have birds, we have seashells, and we have beach towels. You are going to go down here in this big picture, and you are going to count all of the bottles of sunscreen that you see. And you're going to write that number right here in front of the sunscreen. And then you're going to count all of the birds that you see and write that number right here in front of the birds. You're going to count all of the seashells that you see down here and write that number right here. And last but not least, you're going to count all of the beach blankets and write that number right here. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, let's check our work. Let's count our fish in number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 fish. Let's write the number 6. We start at the top, come down around, and pick up sticks. That is how we make a 6. And if you have room, you can make another one over here. Let's look at number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's make a 7. Across the top and down we slide. That is how we make a 7. Now, let's look at this tricky one. Let's count the bottles of sunscreen. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sunscreen. Start at the top, come down around, and pick up sticks. That is how we make a 6. Okay, let's count the pelicans, the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds. Start at the top, down around, and pick up sticks. That is how we make a 6. Nice job. Okay, ready to count the seashells? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seashells. Across the top and down we slide. That is how we make a 7. One more thing to count. We have the beach towels. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beach towels. I thought they were trying to trick me. I thought they were hiding one. 6 beach towels. Start at the top, come down, around, and pick up sticks. And that is how we make a 6. Good job, boys and girls. Thank you for joining me for this video.